Hi, my name is Leo with VX Design Solutions, located in Brea, California. At this moment, we're on a job site where we're gonna show you a container on my left-hand side. You can see it on the background. So this container was a custom container with all hydraulics and remote control operations. Please follow me to the end of the video so we can show you everything we did here. Here's the container. This container was a custom made for this client in particular, that he wanted this container to be as easy as possible to operate it. So that's why we incorporated the hydraulics lifts, remote controls on everything. So this container has a 240 electrical to it, to be able to support all the necessities in regards of the appliances, and everything. We see this container, it's hydraulic opening, so you can open the two sides, you open the front. But in the front, we had a challenge because the client wanted to have chairs in front, so there wasn't enough space for it. So we had to incorporate this wing, to be able to extend the deck. Since it cannot close, now we made this addition on hinges, so that way, it folds on top of the same deck to close the door. We also built, the tables that you see here. Pretty much everything you see on this container was custom made. Starting from the container, so we got the container, it's new. We cut it open. We incorporated our custom hinges, custom lifts. Everything was engineered. So this project was kind of tough, starting from the design, because this client he likes all black, right? But he also wants some touch, right? So the red, the walnut pieces, and that's pretty much it. So he likes black, all black. So starting from there, so the design was a little bit of a challenge, and then the engineering. The engineering was a little tough because the hydraulics, and this is not something that you go out there and buy. This is a custom made from VX Design Solutions.